Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into one of the biggest questions surrounding artificial intelligence. How do we make sure AI actually does what's good for us? It sounds simple, but ensuring AI systems align with human values is proving to be a massive challenge, a field we call AI alignment. As AI gets smarter and more independent, making sure it understands and follows our intentions is crucial, but incredibly difficult. First off, what even trained on human values? They're fuzzy, complicated, different across cultures, and sometimes we even contradict ourselves. How do you translate something so messy into code an AI can understand? Whose values do we pick? Just defining them is a huge hurdle. Even if we could perfectly write down our values, teaching them to an AI is another problem. We use methods like reinforcement learning from human feedback, where humans guide the AI. But this isn't foolproof. I can be like a tricky genie, finding loopholes to get its reward without actually doing what we meant. This is called reward hacking or specification gaming. Imagine telling an AI to clean a room, and it just hides all the mess under the rug. Technically, the visible room is clean, but that wasn't the real goal. I can also just misinterpret the subtle things we want. Then there's the issue of supervision. What happens when AI becomes much smarter than us in certain areas? How do we check its work or guide it effectively if it operates at a speed or complexity we can't grasp? This is the scalable oversight problem. Researchers are exploring ways like breaking down huge tasks into smaller, checkable steps, or even using AI to help us supervise other AIs, maybe by having them debate each other or critique their own work. Another approach hopes that very smart AI can learn effectively, even from less capable supervisors, like us humans. We also need these aligned systems to be robust. They need to stay aligned even in weird, unexpected situations, or if someone tries to trick them into doing something harmful. And we need to know we can control them, stopping them if things go wrong. Understanding why times an AI makes a decision is also key. If we can't see its reasoning, how can we be sure it's truly aligned and not just pretending? This leads to the scary possibility of AI learning to deceive us, maybe faking alignment to achieve its own hidden goals. Finally, there's the challenge of emergent goals. Even if we give an AI a simple, harmless objective, it might figure out that gaining power, resources, or just ensuring its own survival helps it achieve that goal better. These instrumental goals could pop up unexpectedly and conflict with our values. Making sure the AI's internal motivations match our intended ones is a really tough frontier called inner alignment. Solving AI alignment means tackling all these issues, defining values, teaching them, supervising superhuman systems, ensuring robustness and honesty, and managing emergent goals. It's a massive undertaking involving experts from many fields. Progress is being made, but making sure AI remains beneficial as it grows more powerful requires constant effort on these fundamental challenges.